In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the Hendrix chord. Here it goes. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and in this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the Hendrix chord, also known as E7 sharp 9. So the makeup of this chord is the root is E, the third is G sharp, we're going to skip the fifth, which is B, and we're going to put the flat seventh, which is D. So that's an E7 chord. And then we have the sharp 9. The ninth of the chord in this key is F sharp. If we raise it 1/2 step, technically it's called F double sharp. Most people would say, no, that's a G. Call it whatever you want. Don't worry about the theory so much. I just want to go over that quickly. That is the chord. We're going to learn 3 ways to how to play it. And the first way we usually learn it is like this. We're going to start with our second finger on the 7th fret, 5th string. Then we're going to put our first finger down on the 6th fret, 4th string. Then third finger on the 7th fret, 3rd string. And then our 4th finger on the 8th fret, 2nd string. Now you can strum strings 5 to 2, but because it's an E, we can use our 6th and 1st string, which happen to be E strings, and strum all 6 strings. All right, the second way we're going to learn this chord is in the first position. We're going to start with our second finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. We're going to put our first finger on the 1st fret, 3rd string, and then our 3rd and 4th finger are going to go on the 3rd fret on the 2nd and 1st string. Now we only strum those 4 strings, 4 to 1. The third way we're going to learn this chord is all the way up at the 11th position. Our second finger is going to go on the 12th fret, 6th string. Our first finger is going to go on the 11th fret, 5th string. And then our 3rd and 4th finger are going to go on the 12th fret on the 4th and 3rd string. And you could actually hit the open 2nd and 1st string here, if you want, if you desire that sound. Those are the 3 ways to play the Hendrix chord or the E7 sharp 9. It's a great chord to substitute for any E chord in like a bluesy or rock setting, or an E7 chord you could substitute with the E7 sharp 9. Also, if you want free chord charts, check out the link in the description. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.